Pretty cold?
The mountain, like straight ice.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's probably a spring right there.
Right guys, so this is the actual cross member. It's gonna go up right about here. And after this I'm gonna start winning sticks. And then my bed will go right here.
And then where's the fire gonna be?
Fire right here, everything reflects. There you go.
Okay, perfect.
That's all you gotta do.
Alright, so I'm just gonna start laying these down with the soft part going that way on all of them. And I'm gonna add more and more, create like a springy bed, pretty much. Alright guys, gonna set up this tarp now.
Dude, this is looking fire. Perfect right there.
Here, Alex.
Alright, so what I'm doing now is just making sure that everything is clear. Nothing catches on fire.
Hey, what do you think about this trip so far?
View's absolutely amazing.
Yes, sir. And there it goes. I'm gonna give it one more light. There we go. We're gonna have some potatoes right now. I'm gonna chop them up. I'm gonna do my best with this knife. It's kind of hard, but we'll make do with what we have. So I'm just gonna go like this. I want to burn them. Don't need too much heat, so I'll just cook on the coals right here. So a lot of people have been commenting, oh, this kid only eats hot dogs and bread and blah blah blah. Well, you guys are kind of right, but just decided to switch it up a little bit. So we're having potatoes and bacon. Gonna put some sausage in there, maybe fry some bread. Should be delicious. Okay guys, so for dinner we have potatoes, pan-fried bacon, sausage, and bread. Let me give it a shot. See how this tastes. Oh my. It's so, like, I can't even talk, man. So it tastes like a little bit of, yeah, like food, a little bit like the fire, and it has like a very bacony taste to it because it was cooking in the grease for a long time. Absolutely delicious. Alright guys, the fire died down. Alex is in his bed. Just has a sleeping pad on top of pine needles and his shelter. And then my setup, just a tarp, sleeping pad, and a sleeping bag. Should be pretty nice. So yeah, we're gonna go to bed. See you guys in the morning. Alright, so I'm just gonna grab the tip, just break them off. They're more fresh at the tip, and they have more flavor than the old ones, like right here. Alright, so I've gathered about this much, and we're just gonna go throw it into the pot now.
Good?